What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Coyote Mar, back at it with another video, man. But if you guys are reading the title, if you guys seen the title, if you guys clicked on the video, you pretty much know what's going on today, man. We are getting some porting done to the 5.0 today. Now, if you guys are wondering what's getting ported, we are going with the throttle body, also going on with the manifold. Now, a lot of people have been saying that the 5.0 was already ported, man. The 5.0 was not ported. This is the first time we are touching the throttle body and the manifold. We're gonna go see how the car reacts to the porting and all of that good stuff. But if you guys seen earlier, we got another box here. And you guys see this right here, man. You guys know this is not for no Coyote, man. Let's go ahead and open up this box. So as we open up the box, y'all see the big MSD manifold. Now this is for my guy Tone SS, man. You see the camp out here going crazy. And we also got that 103 throttle body to match the MSD. So if you guys don't know, man, my guy Tone SS is on deployment. So he's not here with his car right now. So what he's doing is just having me go do everything for his car. So when he come back, he's out here eating up the whole city. You know what I'm saying? The camp for the fucking win. But y'all know, if y'all seen last video, we did start a new car club, man. The camp right here, stamped up on the front of the 5.0. 5.0 looking hella good though. Sheesh, man. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, because we got a lot more mods coming to the 5.0 soon. But this is all just a start, man. Like I said, I do plan on throwing a Whipple. That's one reason I didn't really go with the Cobra Jet manifold. I know a lot of you guys are going to say, man, go with the Cobra Jet over the porting. But if you ask me, man, this is going to be worth the money for sure. Haven't got to test the 5.0 out yet with any porting or nothing, but I did have my throttle body ported on my Dodge Charger. Now, if you guys watch the video, man, y'all know I had that slow ass RT, but bigger and better things. Now, I'm finna go ahead and load my guy's MSD in the trunk, his throttle body in the trunk, and continue from the day from there, baby. Enjoy the video. Everything loaded in the trunk now. So let's go ahead and make the neighbors mad now. All right, so we just made it up here to my guy Top Notch. So he's working on another 5.0 right now, FBO setup, clean setup. We got to go check that out later on. But as soon as he gets done with that car, we're gonna go ahead and get the manifold, throttle body ported. Also, like I said earlier, we do have the MSD for my boy Tone, so he's going with the porting on that. And the throttle body can be shaved down a little more, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done for him too. So we got the manifold back on and we got the throttle body on. As you guys can see, the porting is done real nice. And if you could tell the difference, I wish I took a picture before. Big difference from the stock throttle body. But I'm gonna have my guy right here go ahead and explain what the porting and everything does.
Yeah, basically, so it's not gonna give you 1,000,000 horsepower, but it is gonna improve your, if you're trying to go all NA and you're trying to get the max out of the car. Right now he's trying to do the max out of the 18. You might as well port it. It's free horsepower that you get from the car, and plus it's not crazy expensive. Well, at least for me it is. There's been ports that they brought already, and they're really,
oh yeah, he want to show me them already.
Yeah, they're really bad. They're not even ported, and they charge you an arm and a leg. Like, don't pay that. Why? For what? But yeah, you'll get more flow with this. Like I said, more air, more fuel, more power. That's
yes, sir.
That's the way to do it. And yeah, man.
Man, appreciate my guy once again, man. If you need anything done to your car, be sure to go catch my guy at TopNotchPerformance. You can catch him on Instagram. We'll be leaving that at the bottom of the video also, just in case you guys missed that. Everything's pretty much done. Finna get the car wrapped up. Go ahead and give it a loud start. You know it's gonna be real loud, but give it a start, and we're gonna do some couple pulls and end the video up. But if you made it this far, appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Just made it up to the E station. Time to go get some E, so I'll get these pulled for you guys. But I am on my racing right now, so it's finna go crazy. So let's go ahead, get that popped open. Getting that good E85. We got $12 right now, 4 gallons. Prices right now, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is $2.79 compared to that 91 price up there, that $4.44 for that 91 premium, man. Big ass price difference between those two, man. But we got about $20 in there. That should be good just for this video. Ooh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. But a lot of you guys always asking me, man, why do I have low fuel every time I make a video? Now, first thing y'all be seeing is that low fuel gauge. As you guys can see, I'm at half a tank. Soon as that shit crosses the half a tank mark, the light will come on. Now, I don't know why the fuck Ford want to decide to make their cars turn on the low fill. Oh, we got a GT500. But turn on the low fill at half a tank. That doesn't make too much sense to me. And also, I don't even drive this car, barely drive it. I probably take it out about 1 to 2 times a week. And it's not good for the E85 just to sit in the tank. I like to get that E cycled out the car. And that's pretty much it. But we're gonna go ahead and give you guys some pulls now. We got a nice ass Shelby GT500 right here. Sheesh. So let's go ahead and do our first little test hit. That motherfucker is crazy. I just love this fucking race tune, man. Like, the car is just ready to go 24/7. For you guys wondering if porting makes a difference, man, well, most definitely 100% recommend you get your manifold and your throttle body ported for your 5.0, man, because it just wakes it up, bro. Like, I hit the pedal and the car just ready to fucking take off, and when I shift, this shit just gets crazy, bro. I didn't even know that porting a manifold with the throttle body changes how the car shit. I thought it was all like a little pedal feel, but now with the manifold and everything ported, the car just feels crazy, bro. Now do I think it does the most power ever? No, but it's still some power, and for the price, I will most definitely recommend this mod. So if you guys are interested in getting something over S550, if you're in California, be sure to go hit up Top Notch. He will get you right with that price, man. Also does some great work, so that's just something to keep in mind. This car is so fucking loud trying to daily this shit. This is one reason why I don't daily the car anymore either. Let's go get it a little downshift.